Upper jaws, posterior teeth in the molar and premolar region. When you have a tooth missing in this region, generally dental implant is the best option, but what if there is not enough bone? Let us list down all the possible alternatives if the straight implant is not possible. First one is bone augmentation. So we add bone particles, or we take a bone from some other part and place it here and wait for 3 to 6 months and then place an implant. Second is sinus lift. So the lining of the sinus membrane is pushed upwards either in direct method or indirect method. Direct method through the socket and indirect method from the outer side, creating a window. We raise the membrane and then add the bone particles. Third is zygomatic implant. We don't place an implant in this region. We use the cheekbone, the zygomatic bone, and place a long implant. That is the zygomatic implant. Fourth, the pterygoid implant. Similar to zygomatic implant, we have pterygoid plates behind your last most teeth. So a long implant is placed in this region. That is the pterygoid implant. Next option is placing regular implant in a tilted angle. So when a straight implant is not possible, we will tilt the implant away from the maxillary sinus. We bypass it and place the implant in a tilted manner. For this, the teeth in front should also be missing. Next is distraction osteogenesis, a very invasive procedure, very rare procedure. We cut the bone, separate them by few millimeters as much as required, add bone, weight, and then place implant. Very rare. And finally, overdentures. This is only possible when all the teeth are missing, and we totally avoid placing the implant in the back side. We place 4 implants in the front and we give a denture which is semi fixed. We can click the denture into place over the implant, which will make it fixed, and we can also remove it by just pulling it down and separating the button. So these are the 7 techniques. So all these 7 techniques we will discuss in detail in separate videos. You can check all the separate videos pertaining to these 7 topics. Thank you.